Hello and welcome to my channel once again. Today we are doing the product of array except self. This is the lead code problem number 238 and I am your friend Pratyush Poddar. So let's get started. So let's check what the problem statement say. Here is given an integer array that is called nums. Here is an array given whose name is nums. We have to return the answer value, means return the answer value which is equal to the product of all the element of numbers except nums. What does it mean? It means that in this given input, whatever my array is okay, I have to return the sum of all the element except whatever element I am at that place. Means right now let's start right now I'm 1. So I have to return 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 4. What's the value? 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. So I've written 24. When I move on, come at this second place, what I have to return? 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4? 12. 12 sorry, 3 plus 4 I'm saying. 1 multiplied with 3 and 3 multiplied with 4. What is the total called? It's 12. Then I will move again at 3. Okay. 1 multiplied with 2, it is 2. 2 multiplied with 4 is 8. And for last, whatever my previous number is my total multiples. Okay. So think what will be our approach. You can do it in different ways. Okay. What the different ways? You think, why not, Pratyush, why don't we multiply all the number and store in a variable? Okay. And for first element, I will divide the number with my first element. For second number, I will divide the value with my second number. Yes, you can do it, but there is certain limitation here. We have to do in O of n. While doing that, what we are doing, we already traverse all the element first to check what is my total maximum, means the multiples of all. Then I will iterate from here first, then I will here, then here, then here. It becomes the log of, sorry, big of n square. Okay. And for other scenario, there would be different, like from here, when what again it say, if we are getting any, okay, the product of any prefix or suffix of number is guaranteed to fit in a 32 bits integer. Okay, it has a limitation, means whatever I am thinking, the first approach is good. You can do it in your IntelliJ IDEA or whatever the IDE you have. Okay, but here it might give you the TLE, means time limit exceed error. So let's think the better approach. What if I create an array? Right. Wait. I will do it in array. Okay. First I will store my given array length. What is my total given array length? Let's make it space here a little bit. It looks fine. Okay. I will create another array, which is my name as right. At what length? Whatever my given length is of the nums array. Okay. Then I will create a variable. Let's create it and store it 1. Why I'm storing it 1? If I want to find any number multiples, okay, means minimum requirement is 1. If there is a 0, I will multiply with any number and getting 0. So if the number is given 0, that's all right. What if I am starting with 0 and multiplying with all? There is no common sense here. It all becomes 0, though no actual result will out taken as an output. So I'm starting from 1. Okay. Now I will create a loop. I name this array as right, means I will first iterate from here, the previous to first one. So previous one for I equals to n minus 1. Okay. Then I must be greater than or equal to 0. Why I'm writing 0 here? Because I'm starting from n minus 1. If I'm starting from n, then will write here 1. Then I will decrease it. Okay. Then at this my variable, this in my pro variable, I will multiply. Okay, wait a second. I will multiply with my given numbers. I will explain you what is going here. Okay. Then I will update my whatever my right array equals to my actual variable. What I did here, first I'm starting first here. Let me do it. At my right, there is an array which containing 0, 0, 0. Why 4? Because already I told you the length of my right array is n, so it store 0. Then I create a variable for initialization. Then I start a loop. Okay, this is my loop. This is my for loop. Okay, for the n minus 1 means at when I am at 4, when my element is at 4, element is actually my 4. What I will do right here, at index, what is my index? 0, 1, 2, 3. At index 3, compare na 0 indexing, so 0, 1, 2, 3. At index 3, what is my pro? Pro is 1. 1 multiplied with my nums of I. What is my nums of I? It is 4, which is equals to 4. Okay. Then I move here. I create in the array of right of I will store the first element must be 4. I don't know what is the element is here, total element. Okay. So I will first add up, means what is the right of I? Right of I means at what index right now I am? 3. So for right of index, what is my index? 3. I am storing the value, what? That is my 4. Then what happened? I minus minus. Okay. My what is my pro here? My pro is here the same. Whatever the previous one. What is it? That is 4 because it is updated. I already did now 1 into 4. So the next element, what will be my next element? Let's check. For next element means at my index 2. Which element is at index 2? That is my 3. So now I will do pro equals to, what is my previous pro? Previous pro is my 4, means 4 multiplied with 3. What is it? That is my 12. Okay. I hope you understand this. So for my right of 2 is equals to my 12. Okay. Then again I will move downwards. At what is at index? What its index? 1. At 1, what is become pro? Pro is the previous one is 12. 12 multiplied with the given element is 2. So equals to 24. So for right of 1, equals to my 24. Again, just move to the last element. What is my last element? It's 0. It is equal to 0. So I will take here. Okay. What is my last element? So at 0, pro becomes, what is my last pro? That is 24. So 24 multiplied with, at what is my last element? 1, which is equals to 24. Okay. In same thing, what would be my right of 0? It would be 24. So at the end, what I get? At the end of, let name as loop 1. Okay. At the end of loop 1, what I get? Right of, in my right, what is in my right array? That would be from first element to last element. What is my first element? At index 0, 24, 24, comma 24, comma 12, comma 4. This is my rightmost path. Let's create another array where I will store my real value, means the answer value, equals to new int, and what it be length? Same, whatever my given array length. I will create another variable, let name as left, because I iterated from the right side to left side, but I did not iterate from the left side to right side. You may ask why I should iterate once more if I iterated already. Okay, so there is a question that I have to remove, means product of array except itself. I am starting from here to here. I have to calculate, is there any element which either left or not. So I will start from the first to end. Why I am taking 1? Already I told you in my pro. Okay. So what I do, I will create another loop to iterate for my real value. What is my real value? Okay. And here also, at first, in my answer array, it is 0, 0, 0, 0. For left, see, when I am iterating from the right backward side to front side, I am starting with n minus 1. Okay, this is n minus 1. When I am starting from left to right, what would I do? What I will do? I will start from 0th index. Okay, int I equals to 0, I is less than my n minus 1, I plus plus. Let's create another variable, let name as a value, means val, where I will store my left value, means I already get the what is my maximum value from the right side of all the given element. Okay, so I will check to multiply with my element of right, so I can get the real value. What would be my real value? Let's check. I will call you left, sorry, this variable, not an array. Left multiply with right of I plus 1. I already know you. First, according to question, I do not have to contain the first element. So I will start from the rightmost part. So I am storing, I will, so I am creating a new array here. So I will emit the first one and start from this. So here I write I plus 1. Okay, means 24. Then what I do? Same in case like the previous one. Creation where I will store my values. Okay, and I will update my left value. What would be my left value updated? Nums becomes nums of I. Why I did, I will explain you. Just wait little more. Okay. So here I am starting from 0. Int value first at 0. What it would be? Value equals to what is my left? That is 1. 1 multiplied with right of I plus 1. What is at my right of I plus 1? This is I plus 1 means 24. It is 24. It would equals 24. Okay. Then I move here. At first answer is 0 0 0 0. All the elements are 0. So I will update my answer. Answer of 0 becomes 24 because I am updating the answer value by taking the value from the value. Okay. Then next I will update my left. So what would be my left? What is the left value? That is 1. 1 multiplied with my nums of I means not the right of I. It nums of I. What is given? It is given here nums of I means 1. I will multiply here 1. 1 into 1. Nums of I means nums of 0. The index is the first element, that is 1. Okay. See why I am writing this? Because we are starting from the I plus 1. So and we already create the 4 element. If I am starting from here to here, I will only contains the last 3 elements. Value can be changed, but I can only store the 3 elements. So I am creating a left here, which would be for the 4. Means I am starting from here. I will multiply all. Then for this, I will multiply my previous left plus my further left. Okay, value means left and the rightmost part, because I already did the rightmost part. I already calculate the all of them, all and all. Okay. Okay. Then next again my what would be my value at 1 index? What is my left value right now? Sorry, equals to 1. That is my 1. So value store 1 multiply with my right of I plus 1. Right of I at that time is this. What is my I right here? 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 12 equals to 12. I move here. So at answer of 1, it will store 12. Again, I have to update my left value. Okay. So what would be my left? Left equals to my previous left 1 multiplied with nums of I. Means nums at nums of I, what is my value? That is nums of I at what is my value? Nums of what is I here? That is 1. So what is nums of 1? that is 2. 2 equals to 2. Okay, so I move again to the next element, that is 3. Okay, I write at, sorry, at index 2. Sorry, I did at index 2. Value would be, what is my left, updated left, that is 2. So I will calculate here 2 multiplied with right of I plus 1, means 2 plus 1 is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 means the last element, that is 4. 4 which is equals to 8. I will update my value, answer of 2 equals to, what is my value here, that is 8. I will store here, then I will update, go to left. So left would be updated. What is my previous left, that is 2 multiplied with my nums of I. What is nums of I? Nums of I right now means at index 2, what is my element, that is 3. So I'm getting 3 equal to my 6 here. By then I will move again. This is not, what is the maximum limit here, that is 3. Already, sorry, 0 2, 0 1 2 3, but there is no more element from the right side, so I cannot do this. I cannot find the value of well. So what I get my answer right now, answer would be, sorry, 24, 12, 8, 0, because there is no such element of right, because I'm starting from I plus 1. Why I'm starting from I plus 1? Because I do not have to multiply the first element. If I did, then this show me the error. Okay, and the value would be changed. So what can I do? For my last element, which is my n minus 1, I can store that my left value. What is actually my left value? I already told you, the last element, the previous all element of the last element, means I right now, what is my last element, that is my 4. Okay, what is its previous value, means 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied with 1, is nothing much, my left value. So here the loop is over and I have to return the value. At the end I will return my given answer. Let's check, is there any error or not. See, all good. Submitted. So thank you all. I hope you understand this question. If you have any query related this question or any doubt, you can ask me in my comment box. And please do DSA questions and share them with your other friends. If you are interested in coding, you might like it. Thank you.